I stopped double cleansing.
Okay.
My face even more less dry, more
tight, right?
hydrated, and more clean. When I did the double cleansing, after I felt like my skin was like, that's what I immediately noticed with stopping the double cleansing. Why is it so popular if it's most of the time it's not good for the skin?
What is up, everybody? This is cyounginyou. Welcome back to my channel. In last video, I said you don't need double cleansing, and there were so many comments. OMG, I double cleanse, no problem at all. If I don't double cleanse, how can I remove my eye makeup? Okay, calm down please, and think about it. What am I getting after I said you don't need double cleansing? I don't get anything else. I am here to help you. So in today's video, I will show you how to wash your face properly. It's gonna be cleansing 101. Like me and subscribe and put the notification bell so don't miss out my juicy videos. Okay, let's get started. You guys will be so confused about so many different types of the cleansers, but I was just gonna break it down overall. Two types of the cleansers. First, oil-based cleanser, and second would be water-based cleanser. So these are gonna be oil-based cleanser, cleansing oils, cleansing milk, or some brands call it cleansing lotion, or cleansing balm. The difference between the oil-based and the water-based cleanser is ratio of the water and oil. Oil-based cleansers, so largely composed of oil and surfactants. Cleansing oil, 50 to 90% are oil. Cleansing balm and oil usually look different, but same babies. If you ate like a Korean barbecue like a steak, grill it at the fry pan, and then the other morning, can you see some oil left over with a hardened? That's this one. So this is basically the oil make it harden. Cleansing milk, so they also have the oil, but you can think more water inside. Less oily than this and feels softer. Water-based cleanser, you will probably familiar with a cleansing water, or aka micellar water, or cleansing foam, or cleansing gel. So those are more like a water base to micellar water, no oil. Micellar water has a surfactant and water. If you compare with the oil cleanser, it's more lighter. The lighter texture, less effective removing. The lighter texture, melting down the sebum, less. So between all the cleansers, the most deep cleansing and the most ultimate cleansing, it's gonna be the oil. When it comes to double cleansing, oil cleanser first, and second, you use the water-based cleanser. Because only with the oil-based cleanser, some has a residue. In order to remove the residue, you have to remove it with the water-based cleanser. That's what people are saying. You can totally remove everything with the oil-based cleanser. But what is the problem? I don't know. I think it's too majority of the people are saying you need a double cleansing. Maybe pushing too much marketing to buy more products. No need. But there are some exceptions, and I know anybody who used to double cleansing feels like, oh my god, I don't want it to hear you more. Okay, hear me out. Now everybody knows skin has a skin barrier. Okay, you have a skin, and then there is a skin barrier, so which protects your skin. If your skin barrier is strong enough, it doesn't matter if you do double cleansing, triple cleansing, whatever, because they can handle. You have a wall, like a skin barrier as a wall, and you can think of it as a gravel at first, and then weaken and turn into sand and mud. No problem when it's gravel, it's a stone. However, what happens to the wall that turned into sand and mud? Something comes up and all the walls are washed away. So soft, and it's gonna be all over. It cannot protect your skin. It cannot work as a wall. As the skin barrier breaks down, skin becomes more sensitive and you become more red, and then all the skin problem happens. No matter how the wall is very stiff and strong, you're basically touching your face every day, and then too much dripping your oil, overwash your face, it will eventually get cracked, and then someday it will ruin it. That's why protecting your skin barrier is so important. However, anybody who are so so brainwashed, I have to double cleanse. Double cleanse is my game changer or too much uncomfortable to hear me out, I'll just gonna break it down like how you can cleanse it depending on the intensity of your makeup. Cleansing has to be efficient. I'm Korean. I'm everything all about 빨리빨리. As you try to like rub more longer time, your skin become easily weakened and red. Full makeup, I do like a mascara, all my eyeliner. How I cleanse my makeup is I can say double cleanse, but a little different from what you think. Okay. I always use this all the time before when I was in 20s, but whenever I see a lot of my clients, I don't see many people using point remover, which is lip and eye remover. I got the comments like, if I don't double cleanse, how can I remove your eye makeup? Your eye makeup can remove by your point remover. It doesn't matter what cleanser you use, the most like the intense makeup is gonna be on your lips and on your basically eyes, right? So of course you can remove with the oil, but why do you do that? Put this at the cotton pad. Don't wipe it out, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then wipe it out. Okay. That way, the most intensity makeup gone. Or some brand make it this way: lip and eye remover pads. After I do the point remover, I'm gonna choose between the oil or balm or little less makeup milk. I want deep cleansing because I want it to clean until into the pores. In that way, cleansing water not enough. So makeup products, foundation, sunscreen, everything oil in there, right? So oil has to be erased by the oil.
And even if you use one cleanser, you have to know how to use it properly and rinse it thoroughly. There are many cases where you don't use the first cleanser well, so that leads to double cleanse. Then I will show you how to use oil-based cleansers, starting from cleansing oil. Wash your hands thoroughly before cleansing. You can't touch your face with your hands full of germs, and wipe them off. Make sure to use the first cleanser with dry hands. You can't do enough emulsification with wet hands. I will use Sunscreen cleansing oil, which is my recent favorite. Not too watery, but great formulation for massage, and it's good skin one dry after cleansing. Pump about 2 to 3 times and massage your entire face. Cheek, chin, eyebrows, forehead, nose, and around the eyes. 1 minute. Pour water on your hands and rub your face with wet hands. This is the most important emulsification process. Proper cleansing takes place here. After 30 seconds, you get another layer of water on your hands. Definitely feel more oil coming off here. 30 seconds more. So total 1 minute. Then I'm going to rinse 30 times from now on. 30 times, not 3. Ta-da! No need a double cleansing, period. Recently, I'm using April Skin Cleansing Balm. I usually have my cleanser listed in the bathroom and choose from it. I bought it because it's viral, smells good, and pretty good one. Same as cleansing oil, start with your dry hands. 1 minute rubbing and 1 minute emulsification, 30 time rinses. It's totally same as you use cleansing oil. No need double cleanser, done.
Nowadays, I am such a love in with a milk.
My recent holy grail is Isntree milk cleanser. Many of you requested me to review it, but Korean beauty YouTubers mentioned a lot these days, so I tried it and loved it. Even after cleansing, my skin is very moisturizing. Since it's a lotion, when you put it on your skin, instantly you feel it's so soft. Highly recommended for all skin types that only apply sunscreen or light makeup. Sensitive skin, what are you guys doing? Try this. The difference between oil and balm and this milk is it's already emulsified, so there's no need for an emulsification. Rub it on a dry face for a minute and rinse it 30 times. You're good to go.
In the summertime, I reapply the sunscreen so many times. I feel, oh my god, I layer like 5 layers of the sunscreen. It's not enough only using the cleansing oil once. So in that way, I use twice, or that feels too much. Then I once use the cleansing wipe first. Careful, just don't rub it too hard. Oh, you have 5 layers of the sunscreen. You're breaking down with this like 2 or 3 layers of the sunscreen. Cleanse it gently, but still feels a little better. It feels like, oh, my real skin just coming out a little bit. And then second cleanser, it's not going to be the foam. It has to be oil-based cleanser to remove all the dirts and oil and grimes. Always remove the lip and eye first with a point remover and then move on to the oil cleanser. Before that, if you feel too much, I will do the cleansing wipe and then finish with this. Or like everyday makeup, I do a little less, maybe a little cushion, little eye makeup. I just finish only without oil cleanser. So many people ask me, I only put sunscreen, I don't do makeup. Can I only erase with a foam cleanser? I would say even controversy between Korean people, but let's say between here, the last I'm using is a cleansing foam. I don't go out, no sunscreen, then I use foam. Every day I put sunscreen. I tend to use a physical sunscreen, put it and then go out. So in that way, I want like pali. So chemical sunscreen, I have to wait 30 minutes. Physical sunscreen is basically like fine stone. So it just go into the clog the pores. You have to actually use the oil-based cleanser. But let's say you use like a sunscreen which feels just like a moisturizer, really light, then okay, just go for it with a foam cleanser or gel cleanser. But like every 3 days or so, I highly recommend to do the oil cleansing as well. And my double cleansing is basically I do the oil-based cleanser and then foam cleanser or gel cleanser. Can I do that? Think about yourself. You will know it. So, and if you guys are sensitive skin, like if you have a redness, after the cleansing, you feel everything is too much gone on my skin. You can feel like it's too dry, it's dripping too much oil, and it's getting winter. Stop it. You're doing over cleansing. It's gonna be worse in your skin barrier. Stop doing it. Change to oil-based cleanser. But some people, oil can be too much oil or balm similar. So in that way, milk gets a little more water in there. If you go to the facial, usually the most professionals are using the cleansing milk there, not oil. Because milk is okay, even okay for the super sensitive skin. So let's say if your skin condition not good, and then pretty dry, and I just need cleansing well, then I highly recommend to go with a cleansing milk. Your skin pretty thick, and then no problem with the double cleansing, just keep doing it. But if you do the double cleanse every day, why don't you make it like every the other day or every 3 days? Make it a little less. Another controversy stuff is like, do I have to use a foam cleanser in the morning? As a dry, sensitive skin, I only water cleanse in the morning. But that doesn't mean everybody has to do that. If you're oily and acne prone skin or little combination skin, you can use like a foam or gel cleanser. Get 2 different foam cleansers. So one can be low acidic cleanser and one can be little alkaline cleanser. In K-beauty, low acidic cleansers have been the trend in recent years. However, for oily combo skin, using this alone may not cleanse well. These days, the brand also releases 2. There are 2 types of manyo. Yellow is low alkaline, green is low acidic, and bring green also available. Use low acidic in the morning and low alkaline in the evening, then great for both skin barrier and sebum management. Don't forget that I'm here to help you out. Okay? So, any more questions about the skincare, please leave at the comments. I check all the comments and make sure to reflect to the next video or try to answer.
My best moment of the week is a client who reported that her skin has changed noticeably in a month, quitting double cleansing.
I started doing the 30 times. It takes a lot of time, but it's worth it.
Thank you so much for letting me share this and following me so well. She's in Mexico and I'm in Korea, but we made it! You can master makeup, no makeup look at home with just 2 hours with me. If you're curious about the best version of yourself, please refer to the link below.
Wow, it looks very good.
Thank you so much for the support all the time. Hope you guys get better every day with a great skin. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye! 안녕히 가세요.